For breakfast, you can try this 1,000-layer meat pancake. It's fluffy, fragrant, and incredibly delicious. Let's see how it's made together. First, prepare 120 milliliters of warm water. Add 2 grams of dry yeast. Add a tablespoon of sugar. Stir to dissolve the yeast. Prepare 200 grams of flour. The amount of flour depends on how many people you're serving. Combine the yeast water with the flour. Pour while stirring. Mix until it forms a crumbly texture, then knead the dough. Finally, form it into a slightly soft, smooth dough like this. Cover it and set it aside. I bought pre-made meat filling from the market. Prepare 2 large onions and cut them in half. Slice them finely. Then chop them into small pieces. I bought pre-made meat filling from the market. I prepared half a pound. Add the chopped onions. Prepare a piece of ginger. Grate it into ginger paste using a grater. For seasoning, add salt, a pinch of ground Sichuan peppercorns, a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, a suitable amount of soy sauce, and another tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix it all together and marinate for a while. Marinate the meat to let the flavors meld. Take a celery stalk. Tear it apart like shown in the video. This way, it'll have a better texture when eaten. First, cut the celery into long strips. Then, slice it into thin strips. Finally, dice it into small pieces. Place it in a large bowl. Add a tablespoon of peanut oil. Mix the celery thoroughly with the oil. This will create a protective film on the surface to prevent excess moisture. Then, combine it with the marinated meat. Mix it thoroughly. Set it aside for now. The dough has almost finished fermenting. Take it out and dust it with some flour. No need to knead, just shape it into a long roll. Then cut it into 6 equal portions. Now, take each piece and fold the edges in, forming a circle. Then roll it out again. Shape it into a cylindrical form like this. Dust with flour and press it down. Flatten it, then roll it out with a rolling pin. First, roll it up and down to widen it. Then, roll it from side to side to lengthen it. Roll it into a long, thin sheet. Add a bit of dark soy sauce to give the meat some color. It'll make it more appetizing. Mix it well. Take a portion of the filling and spread it on the dough. Use chopsticks to flatten and spread it evenly. After spreading it evenly, fold it from one side to the center. Fold one side while pressing it down. Try to remove any trapped air. After folding, seal both ends to prevent leakage. Seal the edges as well. Then, use a knife to tidy up the shape. Now, you have a pancake base. Take an electric griddle. Drizzle it with a tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the oil evenly. Place the prepared pancake on it. Brush with oil to lock in moisture. Cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. Flip the pancake halfway through to heat evenly. Cover and continue cooking. Wow, it's so fragrant. The whole room is filled with the aroma when you open the lid. Both sides are now golden brown. press it with a spatula, and it bounces back immediately with lots of air inside. This means it's cooked. Take it out and place it on a cutting board. The pancake is golden and crispy at this point. If you wait a bit, it will become soft. Plus, it's easy to digest with the added yeast. It looks really appetizing. After it cools down, let's take a look. There are many layers inside. Each layer has a generous amount of meat filling. Take a bite, it's fresh and delicious, truly mouth-watering. That's it for today's video. Please follow for more home-cooked dishes. Thank you for watching.